Okay guys, it's time for our spelling pre-test. So this week we're going to be working on closed syllables. So let's get started. Number 1 is basket. I put my Easter eggs in a basket. Basket. Number 2 is napkin. I use a napkin to wipe my face. Napkin. Number 3 is picnic. We can go on a picnic while we are on vacation. Picnic. Number 4 is pumpkin. I like to drink pumpkin spice lattes. Pumpkin. Number 5 is monster. The monster was hiding under her bed. Monster. Number 6 is pencil. Please use a pencil when you are doing your work. Pencil. Number 7 is ribbon. He won a blue ribbon when he ran the race. Ribbon. Number 8 is dentist. You should go to the dentist every year. Dentist. Number 9 is insect. The insect was inside my house, and so I left. Insect. Number 10 is rabbit. A rabbit is in my front yard. Rabbit. Number 11 is magnet. The magnet stuck to the refrigerator. Magnet. Number 12 is muffin. I might make a chocolate chip muffin for breakfast. Muffin. Number 13 is mitten. He lost his mitten in the snow. Number 14 is bottom. The bottom of the ocean can be really deep. Bottom. And number 15 is children. The children were playing outside. Children. Alright guys, we're going to go through those one more time. Number 1 is basket. Number 2 is napkin. Number 3 is picnic. 4, pumpkin. 5, monster. 6, pencil. 7, ribbon. 8, dentist. 9, insect. 10, rabbit. 11, magnet. 12 is muffin. 13 is mitten. 14 is bottom. And 15 is children. Alright guys, make sure that you go and check teams for the correct spellings, and good luck.